I'm Russell Dewhurst, so I'm the tutor who leads on the canon law degree here. When we talk about canon law, we're talking about the law of the church, the rules, the regulation, the self-understanding, how the theology of the church is applied. People may have an idea that everybody who comes on a course like this is a very experienced and senior canon lawyer, but far from it. There's a huge diversity of people that really enriches the course, that people are coming from parish ministry, other areas of ministry, from different churches, different levels of experience in the church. It's not a sort of dusty old subject. Although we are fascinated by the historical study, we are also very much focused on the present needs of the church and its mission and its ministry. If that seems exciting and something that might interest and excite you, then I would really encourage you to get in touch and have a conversation about this course.